What do you think when you hear the term venture capital? Is it a quick path to riches, or perhaps a scheme for the wealthy to get wealthier? When it comes to venture capital, there's no shortage of myths and misconceptions. Some people think of it as a high-speed expressway to unfathomable wealth, fueled by quick returns and instant success. Others see it as a game of chance where luck plays a more significant role than skill or expertise. Then there's the notion that venture capital is an exclusive club, reserved for the elite few who already have heaps of money to their name. It's as if there's an invisible barrier, a velvet rope if you will, keeping the ordinary folk out. But here's the thing, these beliefs, as widespread as they may be, don't quite hit the mark. Venture capital isn't about quick bucks, it isn't a roll of the dice, and it certainly isn't a closed circle for the privileged. Interestingly, many of these perceptions are far from reality. Let's set the record straight and debunk some of these myths. First off, the notion that venture capital investments are a ticket to overnight success is a fallacy. In reality, venture capital is a long-term game. The journey from investment to significant return can span several years, if not decades. It requires patience, strategy, and resilience. Next, the belief that business plans are irrelevant in the face of venture capital is a dangerous misunderstanding. A solid business plan is crucial. It's the roadmap that guides your business, and venture capitalists want to see that you have a strategic, viable plan for growth. Finally, let's tackle the myth that venture capital is only for technology companies. This couldn't be further from the truth. Yes, tech companies often make headlines, but venture capital supports a wide range of industries. From healthcare to agriculture and even fashion, venture capital is fueling innovation and growth across the board. So, if you've been holding on to these misconceptions, it's time to let them go. Venture capital is not a magic wand that instantly transforms startups into billion-dollar companies. It's not an excuse to skip the hard work of crafting a solid business plan, and it's definitely not exclusive to the tech industry. It's a tool, a resource, a partnership that, when utilized strategically, can help businesses reach new heights. As we can see, venture capital is not quite what it seems on the surface. So, what have we learned about venture capital today? We've unraveled common myths and discovered that venture capital is a long-term commitment, not a sprint. It's not just about having a disruptive idea, but about building a robust business plan that can weather the storms of the market. Venture capital is not confined to the tech industry, but spans a wide array of sectors. Above all, it is not an exclusive club for the elite, but an accessible platform for those who dare to dream and work towards it. Venture capital is not a get-rich-quick scheme, nor is it only for the elite. It's a strategic form of investment that requires patience, planning, and a solid understanding of the business landscape.